I'm Julie Ahrens, Small Business Project Manager with the City of Vancouver. Main Street is under construction, but here's what you might not know. Businesses are still opening, they're still expanding, and they're still choosing Vancouver. In fact, we're seeing a wave of new and growing businesses opening up right here. And at the City, we're not just watching, we're leaning in and we're showing up for them. Free one-on-one business advising, grants, marketing support, technical assistance, and so much more. Even tools to help you find your favorite business and where to park nearby. And businesses are showing up too. They're getting creative with their hours and products and services, and they're investing right here in our downtown. And here's the biggest thing. This only works with you. When you spend local, more of your dollars stay right here in Vancouver, supporting jobs and local small businesses. This Small Business Month, show up and shop small. You'll feel the difference, and they will too.